Yeah.
Get it, boy, get it! Get it!
Ready, quit. There, man. There you go. He's waiting on the phone. There you go.
Steady.
Steady.
Y'all should have named him Otter.
Get it, boy.
Keeping that head under that water.
Get that rock. Get that rock.
He's tired now. You chunking it too close here. We'll have to take him to Dr. Owens. Get a rock dug out of his butt. Yep. Have a knocker. Steady the otter dog. This is like, I'm not putting my head under that water. You got that bullet still. Yep.
Yeah.
Don't eat it, baby.
Get it out.